Do you want to change your MacBook's name? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Let's get started. Before delving into the how-to, ensure your MacBook is up to date. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner, then choose System Settings. From there, select General in the left sidebar, and click on Software Update. If there's an update available, click on Restart Now to install it. Once your Mac is updated, click on the Apple icon again, then select System Settings. Navigate to General and choose About. Click on the name field. The name will be editable. You can delete the existing name and input a new one. After making your changes, close System Settings. Ta-da! Your Mac will reflect the new name everywhere. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your Mac. It usually resolves the problem. Now, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos for even more tech enjoyment.